Good morning, everybody. My name is Lori. This is Lolly Joe Budget and Debt Payoff Journey. And today I am going to be doing my weekly cash stuffing, which includes finishing the $5 challenge and doing 2 fully funded envelopes today. So thank you very much for joining me, and let's get started. All right. My screen just went dark real quick for some reason. Hold on a second. Okay, so as per the usual, I put $1 in each envelope, and for my regular expenses, debts and savings, annual expenses, shopping, that sort of thing, I have a $1, $2, $5, $10, and $20 challenge. I put each denomination in that envelope. Okay, so let's do the ones first. Let's see here. All right, so the personal care envelope is the first fully funded envelope we're going to do today. So let me zoom in a little tiny bit. I hope you can see. All right, so today is the 13th, and we're going to put $2 in this envelope, and that gives us a total of $25. And that is my goal for personal care. It's $25. So I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out these ones and just grab a 5 and put a $5 bill in there. I have lots of 5s when I did my cash condensing. So 25. Put that in there, and I got my fully funded paper. Right. Okay. So I'll just go ahead and put $1 in each of these envelopes and just tell you the title and the amount of my goal. So this is household supplies. The goal is $55. Hobbies is $50. Dine out is $75. Auto expenses is $100. Apparel is $100. Sissy is $311. Planning and budgeting supplies is $200. Okay, groceries is $350. Okay, so my next fully funded, my next envelope that I'm going to put the extra dollar bills into is going to be the cell phone. So next week I'll put $3 in the cell phone envelope. Alright, HVAC was the very first one that I fully funded last week. And this will be my next one that I put extra money into. Cell phone, here, I'll write it in after. And Google Fi is $82.91. I didn't say it out loud. Cell phone's $31.54. Water is $1.36. Electric is $170. Lawn care is $235. Natural gas is $90. Okay, debt and savings. My mortgage is $2,200. 401k loans $375.92, and I have an extra $10 I want to put in here. So that's $11 going to go into my 401k loan payment. So I have $163 now. So let's give it a count. Alright, so 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3. Alright, car payments $352.12. My first home improvement loan is $294.54. And my second home improvement loan is $272.81. And my Fidelity credit card is $40. Right, emergency funds $100. And my insurance deductibles is $2,000. Alright. Next is annual expenses and giving. NRRPT is $75. Umbrella policy is $167. Maybe. I called the insurance company to find out why I got a bill for $167 after I'd paid it. And she told me that when they tried to send me an email, it was returned. And so I guess I must get a discount because I get my bills through my email. And so I confirmed my email address with her. And they had the right email address. She sent me a test email just to make sure it was, working, and it worked. So I guess she took the difference off. She undid it, so it's not 167. It's still 162. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, car registration and taxes and inspection is $255. And tax prep is $425. Life insurance is $470. And escrow is $491.19. And HOA dues $929.61 divided into 3 payments of $309.87. Car insurance $930.50. And I just got my bill. It was $463.25. Let me do some math. Okay, 463.25 times 2. So $926.50 is my new amount. $926.50. $926.50. Okay. Okay, and donations is $800. And Christmas is $200. So we should have 134 in Christmas right now. So 120, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are those, and now let's do, well, let's start with this one. The $200 savings challenge is 10 $20 bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have 6 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Running out of space. Okay, let's do, this is my weekly challenge. I need $13 for this week. So 13 plus 6 is 19. Feel pretty sure I can add 6 and 13, maybe. My math skills are sad. Okay, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And the weekly challenge is for my HOA dues for 2027. Alright, now, this is the 1, 2, 5, 10 dollar challenges. And the $5 challenge. And I want to do the last 2 on here because I want to use this money to fully fund a couple of envelopes. Alright, so that's $150. So let's count it. So in here I have two $5 bills. One is a star note and one is just a little bit older. So that's 10. So 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. $150. So I'm going to swap out these 2 special dollar bills for a couple of these other ones. I don't want to misplace those 2 $5 bills. Okay, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this up between my Christmas fund and my 401k loan payment fund. Okay? But let's finish up with this other thing first. Let's do the $10 and then we'll go on to those other two. And then next week we'll start over again with the $5 challenge. Okay, so is this the one with the Christmas on it? It is. So right now we have $134 in here, and I want to go ahead and just make it $200. So I need to. So 200 minus 134 is 66. So I need $66. So let me see. I think I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to swap out a $5 bill for these 5 ones. And then I'm going to count out $66. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66. And I'll stick this in here. And then next time I go to the bank, I'll get a $100 bills and a $100 bill, and I can condense it. All right, so today is the 13th, and I saved $66, and I now have $200, and I am fully funded. And another paper. And we will put it in here. That's amazing. Very nice. Okay, and the other one is my 401k loan. I want to make an extra, I'm saving up for an extra payment for that. All right, and right now I have 163, and I need to put in, look, we just put in 66 in there, so 150 minus 66, $84. So there should be $84 here. Let me recount it. Make sure I didn't drop a $5 bill somewhere. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 84. All right, so 84 plus 1, 63 equals 247. Our new balance is 247, and I put in 84, and today is the 13th. And I'll get some larger bills to condense this one also. So I need to save another $129, and I'll have enough to make an extra payment. There's no deadline on this. I'll be paying on this for a few more years, and so it's not a big hurry, but I do still want to make extra payments whenever I can. All right, that's it for my weekly cash stuffing. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. It's not freezing anymore here, but it is still a little bit cool. I went for a nice long walk this morning. What did you guys do? I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.